Welcome back to Product Critique. Today I'm excited to introduce what I truly believe is the best teacher stamp set. The 8PC's Teacher Stamp Set, self-inking motivational stamps with transparent storage box. If you're a teacher, tutor, or homeschool parent looking for a fast, fun and effective way to give feedback and encouragement, this might just be your new favorite classroom tool. You've spent hours grading homework, and instead of writing "good job" dozens of times, you press a stamp once, crisp, colorful, and bright, and instantly give your student a little boost of confidence. That's the magic of these self-inking motivational stamps. With no messy ink pads to fuss with and no smudges, you get clean, sharp impressions every time. The built-in ink pad automatically re-inks with each stamp, which means you can go through stacks of papers in mere minutes rather than typing or handwriting repetitive comments. What I love most about this stamp set is how much it helps to build a positive, encouraging atmosphere. The stamps carry motivational messages: think great effort, keep it up, well done, which instantly gives students a sense of achievement. That quick visual reinforcement goes a long way in motivating learners, especially younger students who respond well to immediate feedback. Another big plus is organization and convenience. The stamps come in a transparent storage box, making it easy to keep them all together so you don't lose individual stamps. No more searching under papers or desks. This makes classroom workflow smoother and saves time during busy grading sessions. Durability and practicality are key too. These stamps are designed to deliver thousands of impressions before needing a refill or pad replacement. That makes them a long-term investment for any educator, whether you're grading homework, books, tests, or simply giving positive reinforcement. In short, this stamp set transforms what could be a tedious, repetitive grading session into something fast, cheerful, and motivational for the student. For anyone in education, teachers, tutors, or homeschoolers, having the best teacher stamps on hand can make a significant difference in both efficiency and student morale. If you enjoyed this review, hit like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest takes on tools that make teaching and learning easier. See you in the next video.